This is Elijah's first tummy time. He's been home for a little while. Today's the 16th and he came home on the 12th, so he's been home for about 4 days now. Giving him a little tummy time. And get him strong, get his head strong. He's a little cutie. Say hi, Elijah. Say hi. You're so little. You took up like one of these letters. Elijah. It's my little man. Little Elijah. How old are you, Elijah? You're a little over a month old. Almost 5 weeks. Matter of fact, you are 5 weeks. I forgot. You're 5 weeks old. Yay! You got our baby boy. What are you wearing? You got little footballs on you? Aww. Oh, now you got hiccups. Hiccup, hiccup. Say hi. Say hi. Love you.